sound in the 22 characters of the Hebrew language. Ancient leaders, grammarians, and rabbis used a very old source to formulate an opinion on the matter. The was part of all 22 letters. Surah Academy. Surah Academy was a Jewish yeshiva located in Surah in what is now southern Iraq, a region known in Jewish text as Babylonia. With Pumbedita Academy, it was one of two major Jewish academies from the year 225 CE at the beginning of the era of the Immortal Sages until 1033 CE at the end of the era of the Gaonim. At its height, the Surah Academy of ancient Iraq had 1,200 employees. This was no small educational facility. This is Sa'adya bin Yosef. Now, in the year 928, Sa'adya bin Yosef became the Gaon, the rabbinic leader of the prestigious Surah Academy, located in Babylonia, in modern-day southern Iraq. Sa'adya bin Yosef was not native to Iraq. He was actually, according to the Jewish Encyclopedia, born in Dilaz, an area of Fayumi, Upper Egypt, in the year 892. However, he did die in Surah, Iraq, in the year 942. This is Northeast Egypt, the hometown of Sa'adya. This is another map south of Giza in Al-Fayoum. He wrote and published many academic and religious works. He also introduced fields of science to his contemporaries. There was a book which, even in his time, was considered to be very old and ancient. The book, called the Sefer Yetzirah, gives information about the position of thought regarding the alphabet, and specifically the sounds that were carried in each of the 22 characters, being an sound. As we read, "For he indeed showed the mode of combination of the letters, each with each, Aleph with all, and all with Aleph," letting us see that they considered Aleph at some point to be part of the vocalization of every Hebrew letter. Now, of course, this is very clear. This text demonstrates that over 1,200 years ago, Aleph was considered to be part of every Hebrew letter. This would mean that each letter carried at minimum a PATACH sound of as in Aleph, Alap. Over time, other vowel sounds were added to the sounds of the characters and subsequently into the language. If our ancient scholars considered Aleph part of each letter, would each letter carry an sound? Perhaps in some prehistoric time, yes. But languages evolve. By the Iron Age, additional vowel sounds had become part of spoken Hebrew, or at least it seems.